Hello friends, I hope you're all keeping well. So I'm just editing up the full video on this Rolex GMT, but it's kicking my derriere. Somehow I managed to end up with about 800 clips. I actually started filming this project before the door calligraph that I released on the channel a couple of months back. Anyway, I thought I'd give you a little teaser from the polishing segment just to whet your amygdala. The main video will be a long one as I attempt to service a 3186 to Rolex factory standards, and the polishing segment is also longer with detailed explanations of the process. The main video should be released in about 3 to 4 days, God willing. So I hope you like this diet version. So I want a really flat mop, so I'm going to dress the mop first. So let's see how we're doing so far. Still a fair way to go, so we'll just carry on like that, take it slowly so that we don't lose the shape, and see if we can get those dings out. So you can see it's getting there, and we still got that lovely straight square shape on the sides. Mr. Trouble is going to help me do some filming. You can see this one, how it fits the contours really nicely, so we don't have to worry about ruining these crown guards here. See how I'm getting a big thick line? That means I'm getting the whole face on the side. So if I have got it set at the right angle, then it should reveal that top section there that we want to catch by removing all the marker from it. Now that looks fine. You can't really see anything unless you look with the loop. So at certain angles you can see those marks still, and if you don't get those out, when you do your final mirror polish, those will all show up. So we need to make sure we get rid of all of those. See that one right on the corner there, still there, because it's just right on that angle, isn't it? So to get rid of that completely, we'd have to remove a lot of metal. So just left it there as it is. It's all right.